And welcome to room 650 on deck 3. This is a standard ocean view cabin on Oasis of the Sea.
And here's where we keep our beautiful Q's from Q's Legendary Adventures.
Let's take a look at the bathroom really quick. The shower is pretty much a standard Royal Caribbean flare with the acrylic doors that make lots of noise. It's a decent amount of space. I'm 6'2", so I can fit in relatively well. You have your usual toilet, sink, trash can. There is some storage under the sink. It has a little bit of storage here. And pretty standard fare for Royal Caribbean bathrooms. Then we have our double twins, or I think it's called a Royal King. There are lights on each side, but there are no USB ports near the bed or power outlets, so keep that in mind. The closet is a little bit on the light side. There is an extra thing here you can pull out for hangers, for more hanging space. More hangers. You can ask the attendant for more hangers if you need it, which we will. You have your standard safe, not particularly large, big enough for wallets, things like that, cell phones. And then lots of shelving, which is good. There are 2 nightstands, one on each side. There are some small shelves here near the entrance. I think when the ship was launched in 2009, they were probably for magazines. Now you can use them for whatever you want. There's also 2 hangers. Yeah, the nice picture of some flowers. A cabin phone, that's to contact customer service, your room attendant, or anything else you might need. There is a comfy couch, now devoid of a person. Another painting, a good sized window, and it has a nice ledge, so you can put some pillows up there and stare out at the ocean as you zoom on by. You have shelves here next to the vanity. You have 3 power outlets plus 2 USB ports. They're standard USB, probably 2.0 power, so not fast charging. You also have some shelves over here. Whatever you put in there, make sure to make a note because you don't want to forget it. You have your vanity, 32-inch TV, nothing fantastic. There is some shelving above. And then you have your hair dryer, several other drawers, and the cooler. I would say refrigerator, but it doesn't get that cold. So there you go. That is a standard ocean view room on Oasis of the Seas.
We're going to do a dark test for day sleepers, nappers, people that have babies. Let's shut this and see how dark we can get it. There's a little bit of light peeking through. Let's spin the camera and see how dark this room really is. This room is definitely gets dark enough to take a nap, have a baby in here. It's very comfortable. What do you think, Jeremy?
Camera is a bit darker than it actually is. It's not bad, but
light definitely peeks through. It's not like pitch black like it comes out, but I mean, it's nappable.
So there you go. Want a nap? Close the window.